Mahaba lang, no? At least okay ka lang kasi pag yung van
masikip?
Masikip.
Ha?
2015 pa to eh.
Ito, nakaporma naman. Na, ready for war. Ay, morning, morning. Jutay-jutay lang ha. I'm here with my cousin from he's actually born in Pangasinan, and he married his wife who's based here in Iloilo. He's been residing here for 30 years now, and I'm enticing him to ride a bike for health's sake. So they were caught unprepared, but he manages to invite somebody to join us. So I don't know where we're going, but it should be fun. Na boring. Pagka nakatsinelas, malakas. Pag nakasapatos, weak. Aroy. Telenots in motion. Telenots in motion. Ayan, boss. Mamaw na to. Ayos. Uton. Tayo, Red. Oo, tayo. Bye. Uncle Joseph. Yara na ako sa Uton. Uncle Joseph. 23 years ago. You can see the difference. The progress is here. Galing. Tayo gitgani.
Go, go, go.
Go, go, go. Nagpalit na sila eh.
Oo.
Nagpalit na sila. Ha? Ayan na sila. Okay, oh. Small chain ring in front. Tigbawan pa rin. Gimbal. Ayos. Mag-aw na. This ride, you got multiple disciplines. You got a road bike, you got folding bike, mountain bike. I think the other one is a hybrid. Yeah, it's really fun. So probably I'll donate some cycling clothes for these kids, for these young lads. It's better to cycle than go and spend their time anywhere else, which are less productive. So school, bike, jobs, yeah, that's and having fun, of course. From the Iloilo, Mandurriao, now it's Gimbal, town of the rising sun and sons. Gimbal, the town of the rising sun and sons. Nami. Gimbal since 1946. That's nice. Are, malayo pa sila. Roy. Oh dear. Oh, tanga, artistahin, man. Dinagala kami ng ano? Bakery, alam tayo, bakery.
Bike shop sa bakery. Pang-lindol tayo siguro.
Oo, tanga, walang almusal itong mga boys natin eh.
Oo, tara. Doon ba? Sa Kaidok.
Tanga na, artistahin mga to ha. Ayan no, Church of Gimbal. Then Gimbal. Gimbal kaayo. Pinasadya ko talaga sa rayon eh. Para mawawa kaon. Ganda. Oo. Woo! Gimbal, we're heading to Mayag-Aw. I think it has one of the oldest churches. Woo! I did find out. I just found out that they're just 17, 18 years of age. Oh dear me, that's good, boys.
Doon na tayo kakain. Pahinga na tayo, tapos balik na tayo. Oo, diba? Okay, hindi na tayo maglaro.
Old bridge. Yeah, we arrived Mayag-Aw. Mayag-Aw. The infamous Mayag. Ha? Ayos, ayos. Manalo. Mayag-Aw na kami. Mga bata, ayos. Mayag-Aw Church. Roy. Down the gentleman, man.
May kaprino?
Ay, wala.
Oras lang eh.
Yara na tayo mag-go. Oldest church. Ganda.
Pwede picture mo na.
Oh, picture. Ganda, oldest church. True.
Dependent on us. Alam mo, I heard one of the comments of my friend, you know, to control people, make them poor. One to control people to make them poor. Jesus want to uplift the situation of but what Jesus said,
Yan na, oh. You know, this is the delicacy here. Bakery.
Talong
Ma.
pa, ma'am.
Birthday ni Waldo. 17 na yan, no? 17?
Yung
Grabe birthday ni Waldo. Pakain, grabe. Yeah, this is the town of Miagao, which is 37 kilometers away from the city. Galing. At least I managed to ride in Panay Island. It's 8:37 now. The road seems to be busy. Shout out to my Pinoy Mafias. There are lots of cyclists too here. Mag-ama, man. Dami nagbabike. Crossing Gimbal again. Border. Beach side. Tigbawan. Ninong Joseph, Tigbawan na ni. Tigbawan na ako. Ayun, Barangay Buyuan, Tigbawan, Iloilo. Ayos. The first coffee. 21. Okay. Tig mo na, palamig. Asan yung isa? Anong gusto mo? No? Nasaan na yung si Waldo? Nauna na? Wala na. Kapoy na. Laglagan to ka, men. Anong gusto nyo? Magano ka muna? Palamig. Ako. Ha? Anong kopi ka?
Matcha.
Matcha?
Si AJ, mga ngapiyan. Ikaw,
Ayan.
ano tayo mo? Juice?
Kapag wala kang caffeine mo, ano dala mo namin?
Ano,
Oo.
juice?
Kamay sugar, kamay sugar.
May sugar ka. O, tsaka na-alcohol ka kasi.
Ano yun mo to?
Ayan o, kanami na o.
Ayan, juice.
Nakalagal ka kaya, todo.
Oo, yun. Ikaw, matcha?
Matcha lang ako, matcha latte.
Aba, healthy rin yun.
Matcha.
Pero powder naman yun.
Oo.
Matcha.
Nauna na si Christian. Mutsang sambilis ah.
O, nauna yung mga yun.
Gusto na akong uminom. Wala talaga.
Oh? Yes, oh.
Yes!
Oh, ang lakas po yung utoy, oh.
Oo. Lakas pa yun, nakaka 1 kilometer pa lang eh.
Sabi ka naman, check sa mata na eh. Mas.
Oo.
Tsaka nakabilo na, nakabilo.
Daming nagbabike pala dito.
Dami.
No, lalo pag linggo no. Pormahan din eh.
Ang daming papunta pa lang.
Ah.
Tayo pauwi na nga eh.
Sakay na.
Maybe.
Alas 9, mga alas 10 kando na tayo.
Mainit na eh.
Yung dito na dito, ano?
Pag nag-igbaras pa tayo, baka kukunin na tayo ni Lord.
Ano to, ma'am?
Baka mamunga.
Macchiato to. Macchiato pala ito yun.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yun ang
Matcha. Ano to yung mga milk tea? Milk tea?
Oo, nakamanina.
How are you? Huh? How are you? Tigbawan Church. 20 more kilometers to go and we're back. Kasama ko si Christian. Thank you, Christian. Miljon. Kag si Moy Moy. Oton na, oton. Ay, bata oh. Nice boy. May escort pa ako, pamangking ko pa oh. Diyan ka pa.
Escort yan,
Oh,
sir.
escort. Water delivery yan. Sticker din. Oh.
pasok ba ng...
Ayan oh. Oh.
Ganyan na dito nung
Peter
ano.
Sagan. Bikers. Papaano kami? Papadala ako ng mga cycling apparel para sa mga ano daw, para malakas na sila.
Kalain. Hindi ako wala ka sa bayula.
Miljon no. We've done 63 kilometers, 10 more kilometers to go. Yeah. Moy Moy ka Christian. At sinamahan nila ako even though hindi sila masyado naghanda, pero the spirit is still there. Basta pangakuan mo lang sila kumain. Kain lang, talon-talon na yan. Oton Market. After Oton, probably it's Iloilo now. Kala mo Tour de Panay, may escort. Oo nga eh. Parang ay Tour de Panay. Ayun. Lapit na. I would like to thank my cousin, Kuya Joel, for organizing the ride at short notice. And to my nephew, who's our support vehicle, providing liquids, energy, water para dito sa mga boys. So objective now is provide them some cycling gear once I get back to London. Your charitable help will be appreciated. If you have any extra small jerseys that you're not using, please let me know and I'll send it over to Iloilo for this young generation and provide them a cycling kit, etc. We're already here in Iloilo City, Mandurriao. Mandurriao used to be where the airport of Iloilo was. Now it's already far away, probably around 20 kilometers away from the city center. This is Mandurriao, and I think Mega World is the one in charge or bought the place. Several high-rise buildings now compared last time 20 years ago. Look at the progress. Mandurriao now. It's like Ayala with green signs. Don't do this at home. I'm in the island. By parking. Wow. Ganda naman. Ganda. Progress. Got parking there. Si Miljon. Malapit na si Miljon matapos. Yeah. It really looks good. Transport hub. Buses. Oh, may bike pa doon, oh. Ganda. Emperador. Casa de Emperador.
Jeep na lang.
That's it. This is now this is the challenge, crossing the street. Yoo! Attack! See. Forgiving. Attack! Oi piang. We've clocked 77 kilometers. .22 kilometers, and now we're here. Buds Nilaggat Pata. Ito si Madam.
Commercial mo.
Oh, punta kayo dito lang sa Mandurriao. Anong address na to, ate?
Armapa Street.
Armapa
Ano daw? Diversion Road.
Diversion Road. Ayun, punta kayo dito.
Bulilaw.
Oh. At mabubusog kayo. Right here at Diversion Road in Mandurriao, if you want to have something, let's go to Buds Nilaggat Pata Refreshment and Store. Is on my cousin. So murang halaga lang, murang pagkain, right price, and enjoyable food selection. Lalo na yung nilagang baka. Yun ang specialty nila, nilagang baka. Alright folks, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Kaliwa tayo.
Yung dalawa.
Nandun na. Ay, iwan.